After living in the same house for a few years, you're bound to accumulate a lot of stuff. Some of these things may be useful, but others are completely unnecessary. But how do you know when enough is enough? Keep watching for some surefire signs that it's time to declutter. An unorganized closet. In most cases, a home closet is divided into 3 sections: things you wear often, things you'll never wear again, and things you're hoping to fit into again one day. Truth be told, holding on to these ill-fitting or unwanted clothing items isn't doing you any good. It's easy to get rid of the clothes you no longer wear, but the biggest problem is dealing with those clothes you're hoping to fit into again. You say you'll wear them someday, but then someday never comes. It's a hard thing to do, but don't hesitate to just let these items go. Misplaced items. Why is it that you can never find the right screwdriver when you need it? Or, for that matter, the measuring tape when you're measuring the new curtains? The answer is usually a simple one. Most of us have so much clutter that we store stuff wherever it seems convenient at the time. The problem with this method is that we often forget where that convenient spot was the minute we move on to something else. If we can remove unnecessary items from our home, it becomes much easier to find a permanent home for the things we do have and need. Piles of laundry. Okay, most of us are guilty of this. If this describes you and you routinely leave clothes lying around the house for days without seeming to miss them, it's a sign that you probably have more clothes than you need. Instead of leaving clothes sitting on a chair for a week, why not do an inventory of what you really need and donate the rest to charity? There are people that don't have the luxury of leaving clothes lying around. By parting ways with excess clothing, you'll have a tidier home and you'll be helping someone out in need. Junk drawers. Almost everyone has a junk drawer. It seems natural, but when you really give it thought, it's actually a strange idea. Ask a professional organizer and they'll probably tell you that there should be no need for a junk drawer at all. Many of the things we keep in them really are junk, and the rest of them should be put in a better place. That spare screwdriver should be in your toolbox, and those extra needles belong in your sewing kit. If you really take a good look at your junk drawer, you'll probably be surprised to discover that you really don't need one at all. Getting sentimental. People can find sentimental meaning in the most mundane items. Perhaps you have a recliner that used to be your grandfather's. Sure, every time you see it, you remember fond memories of watching a movie with your granddad, but now it's just gathering dust in the recesses of your basement. The chair has outlived its usefulness, but you hold on to it for sentimental value. While it won't be easy to get rid of, you can't keep everything. It's hard to admit when you have too much stuff, but most of us do. Been There, Dump That can help you rent a local dumpster so you can say goodbye to all that unwanted junk once and for all. Call today to learn about rental options near you. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.